Hi, welcome back. Hello, folks and students and professionals. Let's try to understand one important tip. So this is how to find opening and closing balance of a stock based on a specific date in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. So this is basically the integration between and F5, we can say. But again, it is like, our outbound stock also either consumption or receipts will happen at outbound side also. It is not that much important, but it is better to know how always integration knowledge. Okay. So the transaction code is MB5B. Okay. Let's try to get on to this one. Okay. SAP system. Let's keep the transaction MB5B quickly. And here, see, all these are the database selection for filters actually. Okay, valuation type, based on valuation type, you can able to do it. Suppose 561 movement type, you can able to do it for stock posting. In the similar way, 601 only outbound relevant, goods issue relevant movement type, specific relevant materials. What are all the outward movements happen? So that like that, you can able to give the filter specific material also. You can able to check on specific company code how many materials are also there, that you can able to check it out like that. Currently I'm just giving the plant only as a filter because it is a practice system. We don't have much to have a filter. And below that, storage stock or batch stock, like a valuated stock or any special stock is also there. Also we can able to do it. Apart from that, we have additional filters. Okay, so let's try to get into the basics first. Okay, let's run this. So basically you can able to see this. Okay, it is running for posting date. Okay, so basically it ran from to maximum. If you would like to run for specific month, that also you can able to do it. A selection date, for example, last okay, let me try to make it this one. For example, uh, 2023 September onwards, the current date, if I would like to filter, today is 27th March, I can able to this filter also. Okay. Now, if you see this is basically storage location, and this is moment type, and this is material document, and item and posting date and quantity, and the base unit of measurement where you can able to post it. Okay, so you can able to see this 561. This is the particular day it is got posted. On the same day, all these are the moment types it is got triggered. Okay, so this is basically cancellation of the document also happened. That means, so this is the red color indicator stock means that is deducted from the actual stock. And so it's total issues 70 issues, 70 quantity issued, and the total receipts is this much. That means this includes like your purchase order stock migos, and as well as it is also talk about like how much quantity in terms of goods received to open POs and all those stuff once you receive. And not only that, and the cancellation happened also on reversal basis, also stock will be added if you look at the point of view of outbound. Okay. So the green color means the stock, it is got, consumption happen on these dates. And this is the place where the stock will be added actually. This is the material document. You can able to filter it out. So do you think that this information is sufficient? This transaction is sufficient for valuation of your inward and outward movements? Basically not. Okay, so basically we have lot many parameters are there. If you look at this change layout, okay, suppose so many are there, like currently these are the filters got selected. If you want, you can able to select it. Let me select it everything. Let's copy this so that you can able to see this. You can able to find this one. Okay, transaction or event type also particularly. Okay, this is the configuration from ML side. So the material year and the user, previously user was not there, Yogesh and Arjop, these are the users. So this S and H, FI people aware of this one. Basically this is talks about your credit and debit actually basically. Okay, so let's try to check few more fields, including entry date. Okay. So So this is site required, the string and all those things. Okay. So basically, you can able to track like this. Okay. How much stock added, how much stock got debited. This is, credited. This is H means debited actually. Okay. In FI terminology. So basically what is this? Let me try to check. So this moment type. Okay. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay. Like, let me try to filter with specific material so that your observation will be good actually. I'm just taking this material. This is recently created. I have posted somewhere around some 20,000 stock. If you look at here, 3 quantity got issued. Okay, so out of 19,999 is the stock actually. Out of the stock actually 3 issues, 3 quantity got consumed. Okay, so currently today date. Okay, today is 27th March 2024. The stock is available this much. Okay, so if you look at here, how much stock is it posted? You look at this 561 is the moment type, 19.999. Okay, so this is a material document created. Okay, unsuccessful of stock posting, 561 triggered. So 3 issues happen so that 3 each, 1 piece got consumed actually. Okay, so I think based on period, you can able to evaluate what is the inward movement and outward movement, what is the history of that particular stock actually by using this one. Okay, so you can remember this transaction. I think this is MB uh, MB5B side. Don't worry about much actually from SD side, but still it is useful in real time for certain solutions and valuation. We're closely integrated with because availability check is one of the key functionality there. At the time of doing testing and all those stuff, this transaction is specifically useful. Okay, at custom solutions. When you talk about so if you like my video, okay, you can subscribe my YouTube channel to get more inputs like this. And more importantly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And on top of it, if you love my channel, if you have any queries like this, if you want to learn more things, you can do the comment so that I'll get in touch with you. Okay. So not only this, okay. So let me try to share the screen. Okay. So look at this. So in Udemy browser, if you type my name, okay, you're gonna get around 22 plus courses. Okay, if you really wanted to grow in industry at real time level in a better way, I have tons of courses available. Okay, including idocs and pricing and S4 HANA. Okay, you can able to subscribe these courses out of your interest. Okay. So thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Thanks for listening these sessions.